What are you doing over here? What do we got going on here, bud?
I got a funnel right there.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What were you just doing?
I poured water into this one.
What were you using this for?
For dumping it into this.
But what are those numbers for?
For measuring.
Oh, they're for measuring? Oh, that's cool. Okay, so let's do this raisin experiment we were talking about. Here, I will read it. Pour the soda up to the 1 cup line of the beaker. Alright, so let's... I didn't have club soda, so we're going to modify this experiment. We're going to do it cherry 7-Up. What do you think about that? Okay, let's look at where the 1 cup line is. How about you pour it? No, use the soda. This is for the raisin experiment. We're gonna do the raisin experiment.
Can I pour this in there?
Yeah, to the 1 line. Can you pour it to the one cup line?
Is this soda?
Yeah. Pour it to the line and stop. I'd stop a little ahead of time. There. Right there should be good. Oh yeah, we're right at the line. That's perfect. See? We're a little over, but we'll just drink it and till it's to the line. So just drink a tiny bit and we'll clean this up in a little while. We're making a mess, but that's okay. It's the table anyway.
Oh, it's at the line.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. It is. It's right at the line. Alright, so we did the first step. Use the tweezers to put 5 raisins into the beaker. Do we have the raisins?
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're in the raisin box.
I see. Okay, well let me set this camera up and because I'm making a video of this. It's fun to video our experiments. We'll just leave that there. And I will get the raisins. Alright. Okay, I got them.
That's raisins?
Yep. Now, it says to put 5 raisins with the tweezers into the beaker. So why don't we put some of them on the table and then we'll pick up 5 of them with the tweezers. Or you can pick them right out of the box. Yep. That might be a challenge. Do you want to look at them with the magnifying glass too? And take a good look. How many went in there? Just a clump of them? Here, let's separate them first. Because they're probably all stuck together like those ones. I don't know if those will work. We'll just separate them. There's 4 of them. So just put those right in. Use the tweezers. Got to use the tools because we're learning how to use tools also. Alright, so you didn't need to use that. Why don't we look at one of these raisins with a magnifying glass a minute, because it does say that on the instructions. So here you go. There's the magnifying glass. That helps you see it up close like we have those goggles upstairs, 2 kinds, don't we? And a big magnifying glass in the 3D printer room. But we'll use that one. I forgot that you had that. That's a good one.
Now let's fill
this
cup into...
Now it says, can you see the raisins moving in the beaker?
Yeah.
I don't see them moving yet. I wonder if it's going to work with... Oh, let's just wait. I don't know if it's going to work with... Let's drop another one in there. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it'll work with this soda. It might or might not work. We'll find out. Now, what normally happens when you run this experiment?
Get messy.
It says, tiny bubbles from the soda collect on the raisins and cause the raisins to float to the top. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink again. So let's find out if it's working.
You gotta use those cranberries. Those will work better.
Oh, you want me to go grab some of those cranberries? We'll try those? Maybe it just takes time for the bubbles to collect. Here, I'll leave the camera on the beaker.
Well, those are juicy raisins. Those are heavier than the regular
All right, let's go.
They're always more dried out.
Oh, okay. Let's find some cranberries. Dried cranberries.
It's a big bag. It's a 3-quart bag.
Hey, I got the dried cranberries, Butte. Here you go.
You gotta break them up with your hands so they can
Ah, that could have been where we made. Okay. Here, let's look at these cranberries with the microscope, or with the magnifying glass. Oh, are you filling up some water
And
in your test tube?
yes.
Because we're gonna do the plants. We're gonna plant the plants next. That's our next experiment. That's on the other page. But I want to make this one a success. So why don't we put some of? Oh, here eating them.
Can't use
Oh,
pop because
put
the
'em-
sugar doesn't do it
Put them
right.
in. Put them in
You
the.
gotta use carbonated water.
Put them in there. Put them.
You gotta use
In the
close
beaker?
Yeah, in the beaker.
so it's more fizzy.
I'm gonna eat these little.
Oh no, they're floating. It floated. It worked. You were right. It floated right to the top. Those ones were good. The cranberries. Those other raisins were juicier.
Yeah, they're more fluffy.
Did you see how they sank? And then once the bubbles collected under them, they. Whoa! Now they're sinking again. There, the experiment's working with cranberries. Is that? Did you see it?
Yeah. I'll drink.
Well, there it goes. It's sinking. Oh, they're diving up and down. The raisins aren't working, but the cranberries are. Oh, it's time to drink it, huh? Okay. All right. Complete success. We'll have to try that one again another day. That's a good way to get some pop. I think it works with pop, but you got to use cranberries as the results, huh?
You gotta use soda water.
Or we could try those other raisins. Want to try the other variety of raisins? The big bag? Want to try those ones, Noah? Or are we done with this experiment?
No.
Nope, don't pour water in it. That'll ruin it. That's good pop.
Play around. I don't play.
Yeah, I'm letting him play. I just don't want him to water it down. I guess it's better if it's watered down, huh?
There'll be a colored ring.
All right. Well, let's come back. Let's do the next. We'll do the planting the seeds experiment. How's that sound, Noah? Want to do that one when you're done with your pop?
Yeah.
Okay. We got to clean up anyway. All right.